Music, breathing of statues, perhaps silence of paintings, you language where all language ends, you time standing vertically on the motion of mortal hearts. Feelings for whom? Oh, you, the transformation of feelings into what? Into audible landscape. You, stranger, music. You, heart space, grown out of us. The deepest space in us, which, rising above us, forces its way out. Holy departure, when the innermost point in us stands outside, as the most practiced distance, as the other side of air, pure, boundless, no longer habitable.